Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming compatibility and enrollment. Make sure your phone has the required OS and storage. Once done, open the Play Store or test flight link sent to your email and tap Join or Accept. You should enable app installs from the store and give necessary permissions so the beta can download and run. If you received a code, enter it exactly. These first actions put you into the beta program and allow the app to appear in your library ready to install. Now download and install the beta build. Tap Install and permit required runtime permissions like storage and network access. Once installed, open the app and sign in using the account linked to your beta enrollment. This ensures your test data syncs. If the beta is region restricted, use a reputable VPN set to an allowed country before launching. Make sure Google Play Services or equivalent is updated, and that background data. Launch the beta and complete any onboarding or tutorial so your account is established on servers. You should play through key features to reproduce issues. When you find a bug, record steps, take screenshots, and submit logs through the in-app feedback or designated form. If the app crashes or stalls, try clearing cache, force stopping, and relaunching. If that fails, uninstall and reinstall the beta. One key tip: toggle VPN and test without it to isolate network or region-related failures before reporting.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.